Hi everyone and welcome to Crete Senesi. After the Val d'Orcia, we thought we had seen the best of Tuscany, but we were wrong. Crete Senesi are wild, empty and essential. No vineyards, no crowds.
Just fields, gentle hills and solitary trees.
In this video, we'll explore them by bike, show white roads, hidden corners, and landscapes that seem to belong to another world.
The Crete Senesi lie just south of Siena and north of the Val d'Orcia, and they take their name from the clay soil. To me, it almost feels like this land is cultivated more for how it looks than for the harvest, considering how beautiful the landscape is. And you can explore it easily riding along these amazing white roads. Now I'll show you 3 routes I would recommend, either on foot or by bike. The most beautiful route is the one starting from the village of Mucigliani, crossing a ridge of cultivated hills and leading to an art installation set in the middle of nowhere. On the summer solstice, the sun sets exactly within the stone window. The second route starts from Monteroni d'Arbia and its fortified mill and follows a circular route through the countryside, bringing you back to the village. The last route starts from Asciano and goes straight into the white roads all the way to Monte Santa Maria. Then you can reach Torre Castello and the village of Mucigliani again, before heading back to Asciano along the paved road. From Asciano, you can also visit the beautiful village of Chiusure and the Abbey of Monte Oliveto Maggiore. Remember that you'll find all these 3 routes in the description of this video as GPX files, along with where we stayed, Bosco alla Spina, and some suggestions on where to eat.
Thanks for riding with us and see you on the next adventure!